Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. So today is day 4. We are still going on. So guys, on today's video, it's actually a review video. I recently bought a cooker, westpoint cooker. And why I decided to do this video is before I got it, I went online to search for like reviews about it and stuff like that, especially here on YouTube, and I didn't find a video that had the exact same one that I have, or I didn't find a video that explained really well for a person to actually want to get it. And it's a really nice cooker, so I just went ahead and got it blindly because I know Westpoint is a good brand, but I didn't have much information about it. So I told myself I'm going to stay with it for a while, then I'm going to do a review because you never know who might want to get it. I know these days most people, before you get something you actually want a review, and most people come here on YouTube. So this might be helpful to anyone, you know, anytime. Because I didn't get the review I wanted, I'm hoping my video will be a review that might help someone. So it's just going to be a short video, and I hope you guys learn. I hope you enjoy it as well. So yeah, let me just take you through it. So guys, this is how the cooker looks like. Ignore the gas, we are not here for that today. But it's Westpoint, as I mentioned, and that's how it looks like. So in total it has 4 burners, as you can see. These ones I got them from Kamkunji. You can watch the video to find out the prices and all. Lid is glass, so that's how it looks like. I have not removed those stickers yet, but I don't see the need anyway. Yeah, that's how it looks like on top. And over here it has 4 burners. Now on these burners, this different one is the electric burner. This one you need electricity to use it. It doesn't work with gas. So this one is an electric burner. Then for the 3 that we have, they need a gas. That's why we have the gas over there. So first burner is big, looks like that. Yeah. Then that's the second one. It's not so big but not so small as well. That's how it looks like. And this is the small one. It looks like that. So now on to the review and how to use this cooker. Let me find a position to place you guys so that you can see properly. Okay guys, I hope that position is okay. I've really struggled to find a position, but I hope that's okay. We have these knobs. Let me call them knobs. And first thing you see here, this is a lighter. You can hear the sound it makes, because you don't need, it's auto ignition. You don't need a matchstick or a lighter to light this. This is auto ignition. So you just press this. As long as you've connected it to the electricity, it's going to work. So it's connected to the electricity. So this one right here is the lighter, and it has to make that sound for you to know that it's working. The first thing we are going to be talking about, guys, is up here. So when you want to switch on the gas burners, remember that one is electric. When you want to switch on the gas burners, you just do this. You press on this and you switch like that. As you can see, this one has light up. Okay? Then if you want to switch it off, you just press it in and switch it off like that. First one is for this small one, this small burner. Now we go to the next one, is this one, and this is for lighting up this one at the end. So you press on the lighter and it lights like that. As you can see, it's on. So that's just what you do. Light the bigger one, you just do this, and this is the one for it, and you light it up like that. Just like that, guys. As you can see, they are on. And this one is for the first one. There you go. As you can see, our gas burners are, all of them, they're on. And that's how you light them up, okay? If you want to switch it off, you just rotate like that, and like that. And they automatically go off. You just need to press on this lighter over here. Just make sure it's connected to the electricity, and you just press on this and you turn it, and you turn the gas burners like that. Now for the electric burner, you also need to, your oven also needs to be connected to the electricity for it to work. So it's really advisable to at least get the cooker that has 3 gas burners and 1 electric, because you never know when you might be in need. Maybe your gas is out and you are in the middle of cooking. That's when you use that, because I don't use it. I've never used it. I'm going to use it just when I need to. That's it. Now for lighting that on, this is what you use. Yeah. So you just turn it like that. And if you guys can see this button over here, the red one, it has gone red. This spot over here. That's how you know that your electric burner is on. And you can actually feel it getting the heat. It doesn't take a lot of time before it gets the heat. So that one is easy. You don't need the lighter. You just turn it and automatically it goes on. It's already getting the heat. So when you see this red button here, it has gone red, it has turned red, know that your electric burner is on. Okay, that's it for the electric burner part. You just need to make sure that your oven is connected to the electricity, and you just turn this, and over here it will automatically go red. That's when you know it's on. Switch it off by rotating it like that. That's really easy, guys. So on the top part, I think we are done, because it's really simple over here. You just need your lighter for the gas burners, and for the electric burner you just switch it on, and when you see over here it has turned red, know that your electric burner is working. And I've just turned it off. So it's just a matter of rotating, and that's it. Now when we go to the next part of the cooker, which is the oven part. So yeah, let me show you how the oven looks like first. So guys, the oven part looks like this. I have in here, number 1 is this. Now this is a rotisserie. This can cook a whole chicken. Then you bring it back. I'm going to do a video one day when I'm using this, so that you guys can understand properly. But when you bring it back, you just hook it. This is the screw. You just hook it back in like that. That's simple. So this is a rotisserie, and it's one of the things that come with this cooker. So there you go. This is the wire for the rotisserie, because you need to put it on top of something. So you put it on top of this, like this. So it should be like this inside your oven. As you can see, it's on top of the wire, like that. Then I'm going to show you inside the oven, there's a hook. There's a place where you hook this in. You fix it in. I will show you that. Then it comes with this grill. I'm sure you guys know about this. You can use it to grill chicken, you can use it to grill beef, anything basically. So this is another thing that comes inside the oven. And it also comes with this tray. This is an oven tray. I baked my cookies using this. So you can use this to bake cookies, and this is also used when you're grilling. Let's say you're using this to grill and you have your beef there or your chicken there. You need to put this at the bottom so that any vapor, I think it's vapor, anything that comes out of your meat doesn't dirtify your oven, doesn't mess up your oven, and it will drop here. So also this is another use for this tray over here. So whenever you're grilling chicken or beef, or basically when you're grilling anything, make sure you put this at the bottom. Guys, this is the inside of the oven. You can see that round part. Yeah, that over there, that is where you hook your rotisserie. You have to fix it inside there. Then you put it on top of the wire that I just showed you guys. So that's how it looks like. Okay, now guys, on to the second part is now the oven part. Now I want to show you this over here, how to use them to switch on the oven part. The oven is electric. I know some cookers, the oven use gas, but I prefer electric oven. I feel like using a gas oven is hectic, and I don't know, I feel like it's just hectic. So I prefer an electric oven, I mean. So yeah. So when you want to switch on your oven, we have knobs over here. Let's start with this first one over here. This is the timer. Now when you have, let's say you're baking, you need to set a timer before you actually switch on your oven. So for example, I want to set it to 30 minutes. I'm just going to twist it, and there are numbers written over here. You will feel it making some clicking sound. So you set your timer first, then this place over here will go red. I don't know if you guys can see, but there. And as you can notice, the oven has also, guys, the oven has also turned, the light is on. So we just set the timer and automatically the light went on over here. And this button over here also turned red. So before you do anything, you need to set your timer. So I've just set a random timer because I'm just showing you guys. And then over here, guys, we have the temperature part. So this temperature is in Celsius, as you can see, and you just set the temperature you want. Basically, there are numbers over here, so you just set. I've just set a random because I'm just showing you guys. Then the last knob over here is for choosing whether you want only the upper part to heat up or the lower part, or you want both. So over here, guys, it has both the up and down like stripes. That means your oven is heating up both at the top and at the bottom. When you want your oven to heat up at the bottom only, you turn. Comes with this knob comes with rules, like with the lines. When you see two lines, know it's heating both on top and at the bottom. And when you want it to heat only at the top part, you just switch it like that. And when it's facing down, because this line is on top, it means that your oven is only heating up at the top part. When you want it to only heat up at the bottom, you twist it like that. You just follow these lines. When it's at the bottom, the line will be facing down. It will be like at the bottom. So that's it. And that's it, guys. First, you need to set your timer. Then you need to set your temperature. Then you need to set your temperature. Then you need to decide whether you want heat from the top, bottom, or all over your cooker. So, and as you can see, guys, the oven has it's lighting. And as you can see, guys, the oven has light. So when it goes on, automatically the light goes on. This helps you see whatever you're baking or whatever you're cooking inside there. Now, I want to show you guys how to use the rotisserie. You can also set a timer for the amount of time you want your chicken to be cooking. You have to set also this heat part, whether you want it on top, bottom, or both. And you also have to set your temperature. Then for the rotisserie, you have to click on this as well. Then let me just bring you guys closer so that you can see it has to rotate. Okay, I don't know if it's so clear, but it rotates slowly, just like that. So that's how your chicken will be rotating when you put it inside there. Just like that, guys. So you need to press on this. As you can see, it has the rotisserie mark, just like that. Then remember, you need to set your timer. The first knob is your timer. Then you also need to set your temperature, which is over here, and you also need to decide where you want the heat to be. And that's it, guys. Guys, all your knobs or buttons or whatever, they need to be facing up like that. Okay, they need to be facing up like that. As you can see, they're all facing up in the same direction. That means that nothing is on over here. So when you do this, so when your timer is on like that, it means the oven is working. It's already working. So when you're not using your oven or your gas cooker, make sure all the knobs are facing upwards. So basically a timer just switches itself on and off for the time you set. For example, if I set it for that amount of time, and when the time is finished, it will make a sound like that. So you'll know that whatever you're making is ready. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. That's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it's helpful. Maybe you might decide to get this cooker and now you know everything about it. And yeah, I'm happy if it has helped any one of you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, which is tomorrow. We're still continuing with Vlogmas. So yeah, bye.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?